What is up, Prince Squad? It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. If you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, squad. Today I got the electrician here, and he's gonna be basically hooking up the conveyor dryer and the flash dryer. So I'm gonna go over here. He had to leave right quick. I didn't want to be filming while he's working because I want to let him do his thing and not be in the way. But I'm gonna go over here and let you guys take a look at what he's done so far. This is a high power situation here, so he has put in the box right here. It's been raining. Y'all see it's flooded. Y'all see it's water all back there. It's been raining today. And it rained every single day last week, so he couldn't get everything done that need to be done. So that whole week was pretty much, you know, he came and did what he could do. And then Saturday, he met my mom over here and got the outside work done. So in the morning, he'll be here early, which I appreciate. I appreciate you, Mr. Bruce, for being here super early in the morning. And maybe we'll get everything going tomorrow. Hopefully we can get everything going tomorrow. If not, I guess it'll be by the next day. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this other thing. Let me move this stuff off of it right quick. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to unwrap it for y'all so y'all can check everything out. And I got my safety blade over here. Alright, so I'm going to let y'all check out this exposure unit right here. It's got a little bit of that sawdust on there. I'm going to take my vacuum and vacuum that off. That was why I was unwrapping it the way that I was. Y'all can check it out. This bad boy is huge. I'm going to have to make a stand for it. I actually was trying to get one made for it. I wanted to get one that I can make match it. So right here, this is what it's looking like, y'all. It's a lead exposure unit. So I'm gonna go ahead, actually, okay. It's nice, y'all. It's looking nice. As y'all see, that glass is super clean. I don't know if y'all can even tell on there how clean it is, but that's what it's looking like right there. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. So I'm going around here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tab off and plug it in. Let y'all check it out. All right, the moment y'all all been waiting for. Let's light this thing up. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's pretty fancy right there, huh? 30 seconds. 30 seconds is what they have it set on right there. You got the vacuum. You got the LED light. Oh, that's the safety yellow lights right there. Let me see. Yeah, that's what the safety light is looking like. I guess the LED light is so bright, they're like, you don't need to have that on. Okay. It's even got the time, y'all. It's got the right time. 9:28, right date and time on there. Let me hit stop. Let me go back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to work this, y'all. I'm gonna have to figure out how to work this. But I did wanna just go ahead and kind of test it out. You know, make sure everything is working on it. Right now, I don't know what I'm doing with it, but we gonna get there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. We gonna get there, and as soon as I get a chance to print something, once I can get all this stuff up and running, then I'm gonna let you guys see how everything works. But yeah, that's this big bad boy right here. I'm gonna cut the rest of this off here once I get off the video, and need to dust this. Y'all see all that? Dust that off. Sawdust from when we was opening everything up. And what's that? I don't know what that is right there. I don't know, but it's gotta go. It's gotta go. All right, squad. So the electrician just left for today. So I'm gonna show y'all what all he got done. We got the box, the box with everything wired into it or whatever, and I get like this wire is coming from outside. This wire is going to the flash dryer. This one is going to the conveyor dryer. So we got all of this right here. I don't know if this one is going to have a emergency shut off switch, but it shouldn't be too hard to get over here and just, cut off whichever one. I'm not going to hold y'all on here because I can't wait to let y'all see like the full setup. Like, I got some things in process right now, working on a few things, trying to get to a certain point, or trying to get, some stuff ready for the shop, because I don't know if it's going to be the next video, but a video real soon is going to be me letting you guys check out the new setup so y'all can see what everything looks like. Alright, so if this your first time here, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, TshirtChick TV. And I'll see y'all in another video. Print Squad out.